So I just wanted to step outside to show you guys what's up. My husband is out there cutting grass and it's pouring rain. Didn't expect that for today. Kind of had a week off of just everything. We went camping or glamping in a nice little cabin. And yeah, so we're still waiting on goats. He was trying to communicate with me. Still waiting on goats. Had another option presented of 4, but the mom was okay because they weren't going to be separated. But then didn't want to get rid of one that had like a crescent moon on her. So then she didn't want to separate them, so that fell through. But we are recouping and enjoying all the things. Plan is tomorrow to really be intentional about TV, like shutting down all the phones, shutting down the iPad, shutting down the iMac until Saturday. And then we'll give an update how the week went. Push play. But let me help her. Because she kind of... No.
Can I watch them?
Yeah. Push it right here. And then we're going to put this away. No, we're going to put this away. What happened? Not what I was looking for. It was like upside down. But so anyway, looking forward to this evening. We're going to a friend's for pizza. I'm taking my chairs over that my cats have destroyed and seeing what she could do.